Lesson 1. ESWACAA Licensing and Regulations. Welcome to your preparation for the ESWACAA Private Pilot License Knowledge Test. In Eswatini, the Eswatini Civil Aviation Authority administers personnel licensing under the 2011 PEL regulations. To even sit for the Aeronautical Knowledge Test, Regulation 21 requires you to present proper photographic identification and obtain an endorsement from an authorized instructor, certifying you have completed the required ground training and are prepared. Once you pass, keep an eye on the calendar, because your knowledge test results remain valid for exactly 6 months. You must complete your skills testing and have the license issued within that window. As a private pilot, you are authorized to act as pilot in command for non-commercial private flights, provided you have the appropriate aircraft ratings and meet currency requirements. You cannot fly for hire and reward. That requires higher commercial licenses. You must also hold a valid Class II medical certificate, which is the standard medical requirement for private pilots in ICAO-aligned systems like Eswatini. Your ground studies cover a wide range of topics. Under Regulation 36, the core aeronautical knowledge areas for an aircraft private pilot license include air law, aircraft general knowledge, flight performance and planning, human performance, navigation, operational procedures, principles of flight, VFR radio telephony, and meteorology. Mastering these subjects ensures you have the foundational knowledge necessary to operate safely and legally as a private pilot in Eswatini airspace.